Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a new lesson that is from the science part. Its name is Our Earth and the Moon. Children, you are familiar with the word universe that you are already learned in third class. Universe consists of stars, satellites, planets, okay, and other heavenly bodies. And our name of our star is Sun. Sun is our star and it gives us heat and light. There are millions of stars bigger than the sun, but sun appears very big because sun is the closest star to us. So our star is sun. Okay, and other stars also there. They are bigger than the sun, but they are very far away from us. That it appears to be very small, but sun appear to be very big because it is very closer to our earth. Okay. So we live on which planet? We live on Earth, and it is at the third position in our solar system. Solar system is in which galaxy? Milky Way. In that Milky Way, solar system is our group of stars and planets and all, and the sun is at the center, and the planets and satellites are revolving around in a fixed path called orbit. And from the position of the sun, Earth is at the third position. The Earth is the only planet that have life exist on the universe. Okay, the life exists only in one planet, that's we call it as Earth, our planet. Earth has a natural satellite called the Moon. Earth's natural satellite. What is a satellite? Satellite is a heavenly object that revolves around a planet. So our natural satellite is Moon. Moon is our natural satellite. Now we are going to learn more about our Earth. Earth has three main layers. Actually, Earth consists of three main layers. Which are they? They are crust, C-R-U-S-T, crust, to mantle, M-A-N-T-L-E, mantle, and third, core, C-O-R-E. These three parts our Earth has. These three parts, which are the crust, mantle, and the core. What is crust? That we are going to study now. The outermost layer of Earth is called a crust. That animals, plants, and we humans all are living here in this crust, and it's the most suitable place, most suitable part of Earth for living. So crust is the outermost part of Earth. The outermost layer of Earth is called the crust. The crust is very cool, hard, and has suitable conditions for life. It's very hard, cool, and has suitable conditions for life. And it is the outermost layer of the Earth. And we live on the crust. We humans live on crust. That's about crust. So what are the informations you are getting from crust? Crust is the outermost layer of the Earth. Crust is very hard, cool, and has suitable conditions for life. And we humans are living on crust. So second part coming, that is mantle. Mantle. Actually, mantle is very deep inside our Earth. This part is very hot, and it consists of lot of molten rocks are there, and high temperature and pressure are there. So below the crust there is a layer of hot molten rocks, minerals and metals. This is called the mantle. So below crust we have this part called the mantle. It contains very hot molten rocks, metals and minerals, and the mantle is the thickest among the layers of Earth. Which is the thickest layer of the Earth? Mantle is the thickest layer of the Earth. Understood? So after crust coming this layer, mantle, and inside this layer it's high temperature and pressure. So the rocks and are all in molten stage, and metals also in molten state, minerals also in molten stage, and this part is this is the thickest among the layers of, this is the thickest layer in the layers of Earth. Thickest. That's about the mantle. Next coming core. What is core? That is the innermost part of the earth. We call it as core. The center of the earth is called a core. The center of the earth is called a core. The core is the hottest part of the earth. Below the mantle is coming core. That also very hottest part of the earth. The core is always under high pressure. The core is divided into outer core and inner core. Core is divided into two parts. That is outer core and the inner core. The outer core is made of molten metals and the inner core is made of solid iron. The outer core is made up of molten metals. Inner core is made of solid iron. So that's about a core. So these three parts consist of earth. Which are they? Crust, mantle and core. And crust is the outermost layer inside that mantle and the innermost layer is called the core. Okay. Now coming the movements of earth. That already we learned in social science part. That is earth has two movements. Rotation and revolution. Rotation of the earth means the movement of earth of its own axis, and that takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. That means day and night. And the revolution means along this rotation it also moves around the sun, and that takes for one complete rotation, for one complete revolution it will take 1 year. That means 365 and 1/4 days. And due to this revolution, seasons or years are happening. That we already learned. The movements of earth, two movements are there. Rotation and revolution. Today that much, children. Thank you and have a nice day.
Wow. Ha ha ha!